Want to spice up your WhatsApp status with music? In this video, I'll show you how to use the built-in music feature to add a soundtrack to your photos or videos. Start by heading to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. If there's an update available, install it and give it a moment to finish. Next, open WhatsApp. Go to the Status tab and tap the plus icon to create a new status. Choose any photo or video from your gallery to continue. Once you're on the editing screen, you should see a music icon at the top. Tap it to open the WhatsApp Music Library, where you can browse or search for a song. After picking a song, tap the arrow to confirm. You'll then be able to drag the slider and select the exact 15-second portion you want to include in your status. If you don't see the music icon yet, I've made a separate video that shows you what to do when this feature is missing, so check that one out too. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and I'll catch you in the next one.